Want to understand artificial intelligence without getting lost in technical jargon? In this video, we are breaking down the fundamentals of AI, machine learning, and deep learning in under 7 minutes, even if you have zero technical background. Let's dive in. Many people think AI is just about chatbots like ChatGPT or tools like Google Bard. But here's the truth. AI is a vast field just like physics or biology. Within AI, there are subfields like machine learning, and within that, even smaller branches like deep learning. Confused? Don't worry, we'll untangle it all. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is the science of making machines think and learn like humans. It's about creating systems that can solve problems, recognize patterns, and even make decisions, just like we do. Now within AI, we have something called machine learning. Think of ML as a specialized tool under the AI umbrella. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Digging even deeper, we reach deep learning, a subset of ML. This is where things get powerful. Deep learning models mimic the structure of the human brain using something called artificial neural networks. These models are the backbone of advanced AI tools like ChatGPT, image recognition apps, and more. Imagine teaching a child to recognize fruits. You show them pictures of apples, bananas, and oranges, and after a while, they can identify them on their own. That's essentially how machine learning works. There are two main types of machine learning. One, supervised learning. The system learns from labeled data. For example, we tell the machine, this is an apple, this is a banana. The model then predicts new data based on these labels. 2. Unsupervised learning. Here, the system identifies patterns in unlabeled data. It figures things out without explicit instructions, like grouping fruits based on color or shape without us telling it which is which. Let me tell you a pro tip. Supervised models improve over time by comparing predictions with actual results, while unsupervised models focus purely on pattern recognition. Moving on to deep learning. If machine learning is like teaching a child with flashcards, deep learning is like teaching them through real-life experiences, complex, dynamic, and constantly evolving. Deep learning uses artificial neural networks, inspired by the way our brains work. These networks have layers of neurons that process data. The more layers, the more powerful the model. One cool thing is semi-supervised learning, where a model learns from a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data. This is super helpful in real-world applications like fraud detection or medical diagnosis, where labeling data can be expensive and time-consuming. Now let's talk about the buzzword of the decade, generative AI. AI models fall into two main categories. One, discriminative models. These classify data. Think of it like a filter. Is this a cat or a dog? Two, generative models. These create new content based on what they've learned. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney are all examples. They generate text, images, videos, and more from simple prompts. Quick tip. If an AI gives you a number, classification, or yes, no answer, it's probably discriminative AI. If it creates something new, like an image, story, or song, that's generative AI at work. You've probably heard of large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT. But what makes them special? LLMs are trained on massive amounts of text data to understand and generate human-like language. Imagine training a dog with basic commands like sit or stay. That's like pre-training an AI model. But if you want your dog to do specialized tricks, you give it specific training. This is called fine-tuning in AI. In real life, companies take general purpose models and fine-tune them for specific industries like healthcare, finance, or education to make them even smarter. So, there you have it. Artificial intelligence isn't as complex as it sounds when you break it down. AI is the big picture. Machine learning is how AI learns from data. Deep learning mimics the human brain with neural networks. And generative AI, that's the creative genius behind tools like ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.